అయితే చిరుధాన్యాలు పెట్టడం వలన ఏముందంటే మనము కలిపి రకాలు పంట పెడితే భూమిలో 25 రకాలు పెడితే భూమిలో మట్టి పెరుగుతుంది, బలం, భూమికి బలము. అన్ని రకాల విత్తనాల పంట తింటే మనిషికి ఆరోగ్యం ఉంటుంది, అన్ని రకాల మేత తింటే పశువులు ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటాయి. ఇది ఆడవాళ్ళ వ్యవసాయం.
So we have now millets as a very healthy alternative grain to wheat, and that's my tagline, that the grain changer is the game changer.
This is from 1956 to 61. So there are 3 different colors here. Green is rice or paddy, and orange is wheat, and black dot is millets. And each dot represents 10,000 acres. And see how much millet we were growing. Millets were everywhere. They were not limited to any particular region of the country. There was barely any demand, especially in the northern part of the country. Most people did not know millets. There were many misconceptions when it came to millets. भाई गर्म होता है, हम नहीं खाएंगे, खाली सर्दी में खाना चाहिए. Of course, now there is so much happening around millets and everybody is talking about it.
Earlier it was the plus 50s and 60s who would worry about their cholesterol, but today youngsters, I'm seeing so many youngsters coming with these reports and extremely concerned about their health.
I think post-COVID, I started developing joint pains, and for a very long time, I didn't know what was happening. Then I came back and I got to know I was in the early stages of arthritis because I was suffering from a lot of pain.
Literally, when she came to me within a week of changing her diet, she became pain-free. And the next visit was I had forgotten the pain. And so bit by bit, over a course of 3 months, we were able to even document the changes on the blood work. All her ANA antibodies, etc., had changed. And the doctor said, it seems like we don't need to give you pills anymore. We do see cases like this every day, to the extent that even anti-anxiety pills and, like I said, mental health issues get resolved just by changing or switching over to the right grains. And the right grain is rightfully called Shri Ann.
This food, which is diverse, can be celebrated on our plates. But this book today is really taking the conversation to one of the biggest existential issues that we deal with today, climate change.
When they come to a restaurant, there is a commercial element to it where they want it to be memorable. So that's where chefs like us come in. So where we lend a little creativity, innovation, and also I believe it has to be a slow journey on it. So we started sort of working on recipes on it. We started introducing how to get them back into mainstream, started tweaking recipes a bit, started working with farmers in a way.
मिलेट के डिशेस ऑलमोस्ट मेरे रेस्टोरेंट में आज 4-5 महीने हो गए हैं. ठीक है, हमारा एक फुल पेज है मेन्यू का जिसके अंदर सारी मिलेट के डिशेस हैं. मिलेट की इडली भी है, सब कुछ है. ठीक है, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट मिलेट्स, द फर्स्ट थिंग पीपल थिंक अबाउट ओनली बाजरा. But nowadays there are lots of things which are millets. Foxtail millet is there, barnyard millet is there. There are lots of millets which people are using now.
People do consume a lot of it. People are getting aware of it. It's getting, your traditional wheat is moving away in powdered form. It's coming into a little bit. People are making in a chapati form. People are cooking in a porridge form or an upma or a rice is moving away and it's coming there.
तो अगर आप देखोगे तो उसकी रेशो है, सेल है. People appreciating this. लोग खा रहे हैं, इसीलिए हमने मेन्यू में रखा हुआ है.
The reason we need millets is because it is a water prudent crop. It is a heat tolerant crop and it is good for us in terms of nutrition.
If there is a demand, then only it's going to fulfill all of us, right? And where we put it out on the menus, we make things out of it, farmers get to grow it, there's a consumption, there's a constant demand of it, and consumers will buy it. So I think it's that food chain we have to create.
But there are challenges also with this new interest. Many startups have now sort of stepped into the ring, right? And there's a lot of demand, but there isn't enough supply now. So rates are fluctuating.
As consumption increases, the prices will come down. As agricultural practices change, and the farmers are able to switch or transition into millets in a bigger way, things will go, become better. Millets will be more easily available to the masses, and they will also be cheaper.
मार्केट में मंडी नहीं है, जैसे बाजरा कर दिया मैंने या मक्का कर दिया, वो इतनी डिमांड नहीं है मार्केट में कि वो खरीद दे। अगर ज्वार की जगह मक्का कर रहे हैं, कुछ और फसल कर रहे हैं, तो उसका भी सरकार को सोचना चाहिए कि जमींदार को उतनी ही औसतन में दिया जाए जितना कि वो दान में कर रहा है।